Sex doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades quietly. Many couples stop talking about sex, not because they don't care, but because they feel awkward, tired, or rejected. Sex becomes rare, then uncomfortable, then avoided. This is more common than people admit. Sex problems are rarely about sex. They are about stress, emotional distance, routine, unspoken needs. When connection drops, desire follows. Sex fades when life stress increases, partners stop flirting, touch becomes functional, conversations stay shallow. Sex needs emotional safety and attention. Many couples wait for desire instead of creating it. Avoid talking about sex. Assume their partner knows their needs. Feel embarrassed to try new things. Silence slowly kills intimacy. Use the following practical ways to spice up sex life. 1. Talk about sex without blame. Talking improves intimacy. Use I miss, I want us to try. Number 2. Rebuild non-sexual touch. Touch creates desire. Do this. Hugs, hand-holding, cuddling, without pressure. Number 3. Create intentional intimacy time. Don't wait for mood. Plan intimacy like date nights, quiet time, private moment. Desire grows with effort. Number 4, reduce stress together. Stress kills sex drive. Support each other. Share chores. Rest together. Laugh more. Relaxation restores desire. Good sex comes from safety, effort, and connection. It can be rebuilt. Even when relationships improved, many people still struggle with money stress. In the next video, we'll talk about why financial pressure affects intimacy and relationships more than people realize. For more real-life solutions like this, subscribe.